Today I'm going to show you how to put some restrictions on the iPad so that students can't delete apps or add apps or make in-app purchases. So you want to go to your settings and you want to go to General. Once you're in General, you want to scroll down on the right to Restrictions. As you can see, most iPads, if you don't know about restrictions, it'll be off. So once you turn restrictions on, then you have to put in a code. So we're going to enable restrictions. I suggest using the first 4 digits of your street address on your school, and then if everybody uses the same thing, the teachers can easily manage all the iPads. So now you can see these are the options of what I can restrict, and you'll see right here I can check off installing apps, deleting apps, in-app purchases. If I don't want the kids listening to podcasts, connecting to the music, connecting to the iTunes store. If I don't want them airdropping pictures, FaceTiming anyone. You may or may not want Siri dictation, depending on if you need it for assistive technology for a Learning Center student. And then there are a bunch of others that I suggest you go ahead and explore. Depends on the age of the student. A lot of times they don't know about, you want to make sure the microphone's on, but they don't know about the Twitter and all that. But if you suspect, you can always go in and manage all of those as well. So then when you go back, everything's restricted. So if I went back in, you can see I need to put in the code to do that. Once you've put the restrictions on, you'll notice the A is missing for the App Store, and the iTunes Store are both missing now. So whenever you want to add an app, you will have to go back in and turn the restrictions off. And now I can go back in and I can turn install apps on, install apps, and then go back in and turn it off. So that's one way to keep the iPads in your classroom secure and private so that the students can't alter anything. Now they can still, even if you have deleting apps off, they can still move the apps around, but you'll notice there are no X's, so they can't delete any apps. Okay, so again, that's one way of protecting the iPads from students doing things that you don't want them doing. And then that's what you would have to do to add more apps. And that's how you protect the iPads from students going in and doing things that you don't want them to do.